Thank you for joining me today for this pyramid pose breakdown. This pose is great to reduce your stress and to increase your focus, flexibility, and balance. The contraindications are if you have high or low blood pressure or migraines, then it's best if you avoid this pose. Okay, we're going to start in mountain pose. And we're going to take a nice comfortable step back. With both of our toes facing forward, the back foot is actually going to be tilted out about a 45-degree angle. So a little bit out at an angle, so not perfectly parallel with the end of the mat, just kind of in the middle there, just comfortable. And we're going to do this pose incorporating the arms to get a better stretch through the shoulders and through the triceps. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn our body facing forward, take our hands behind, clasping our hands together. And we're going to pivot at the hips. As we pivot, we're going to extend our arms out, getting lots of length. You want to hold this pose for 3 to 5 breaths. And come on back up. That's it for that pose. Remember to like and subscribe, and please leave me a comment below. Let me know how this pose has improved your focus. All right, have a great day.